The electronics products can consist of many heat generating components such as microchips, capacitors, and transformers. And together, they generate a lot of heat that can accumulate in the tiniest air gaps within electronics products or components, causing overheating, malfunction, and degradation, which in turn may cause catastrophic failures or financial losses. Nowadays, the ever increasing demand for greater functionality within a smaller electronics package makes quick and efficient heat dissipation even more critical to electronics performance, life cycles, and reliability.
Yeah, Henry, I agree. So at Parker, we see the same trends in electronics, both big and small electronics, where industries are focused on larger electronics like battery packs. We see higher voltages and greater power consumption. These applications create enough heat that, passive cooling has been largely replaced by active cooling. And for these applications, for example, a data center or electric vehicle, they are now using liquid dispensed thermal interface materials to conduct that heat from those sensitive components to the active cooling.